To set a company default entitlement, watch the previous tutorial on managing company holiday settings. Here, we will cover personal adjustments for individual employees. In the Employee section, under Administration, I can customize the entitlement for individuals who get more or fewer days than the company default. I click on a name on the list to bring up the employee details on the right and locate the Annual Leave section. The entitlements are organized by holiday year. If the leave allocation field is left empty, the employee will automatically be allocated the company default number of leave days. Anything you enter here will override the default for this year. Holiday carryover field can be used for any additional days that the employee is entitled to in any particular year. It could be days carried over from a previous year, purchased extra holidays, or even time off in lieu. The carryover entitlement is managed manually, so when the year comes to an end, if the employees have not used up all their leave, the remainder days are not automatically allocated into the next year. This is because many companies have a limit on how many days you can carry over, and it may also be discretionary. You can also watch the tutorial on how to manage carryover holiday. With the year-by-year navigation, you can set the entitlements for the next year before this year is out. Remember to click the Update button to save your changes. Now, if you want to review what entitlements have been allocated to all employees, you can download the employee list here at the top. Choose whatever departments you want to include, and the Excel file will download. Here you see the employee list, and right at the far end are the columns for leave allocation and carryover days. If leave allocation is blank, that means the company default would apply. You can make any necessary changes to this list and upload it back into Engage if you have lots of amendments to make.